Students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. Today, my first lecture of lesson first binary number system. So let's start this video. First one, contents. First, contents number system. Second, types of number system. Third, decimal number system. Fourth, binary number system. Fifth, octal number system. 6 hexadecimal number system, and 7 conversion. So let's start. Number system. Number system can be defined as the method or format which is used for denoting a numerical value. We are all familiar with the number system, in which an ordered set of 10 symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, which are known as digits, are used to specify any number. The number system is called decimal number system. It means a number system can be defined as the method or format which is used to denoting any numerical value, and mostly people use 0 to 9 number to represent any specific number. So when you use 0 to 9 number, so this number system is called the decimal number system. After that, types of number system. There are 4 types of number system. First, decimal system. Second, binary number system. Third, octal number system, and fourth, hexadecimal number system. Means there are 4 types of number system: decimal number system, binary number systems, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. So first, decimal number system. Decimal number systems consist of 10 digits starting from 0 to 9. This number system has 10 as its base. Its decimal number system consists 10 digit, means 0 to 9. It means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So the base of this decimal number system is 10. Now consider the example 246.45. This value is found by adding each digit, which are multiplied by the base in the power of digit position. Means it is represented as follow. Means here first one before the point, before decimal point, 246, 2 into 10 to power 2, because here 6 is the 0 position, 4 is first and 2 is second. So 2 into 10 to power 2 plus 4 into 10 to power 1 and 6 into 10 to power 0. And after that point, and after the point, the power of is minus 4 into 10 to power minus 1 plus 4 into 10 to power minus 2. So you can easy way to find a decimal number through this method. Next one, the binary number system. It is the simplest form of number system. It consists of only 2 digits in base, which are 0 and 1, on and off respectively. Means on means if 0 then on, and off means 1 or off. Means binary number system consists only 2 digits, 0 and 1. They are used as the numbering system for computers. A binary number can be easily represented by using a series of switches. Means you know very well, computer understand only binary number system, and binary number system have only 2 digits, 0 and 1. Each single digit in a binary system is called as a bit. Single digit of binary is called the bit. When 4 bits are combined together, a nibble is formed. Means one nibble equal to 4 bit, and smallest digits, smallest unit of memory is called bit. After that, octal number system. Octal number system is using 8 digits to represent number. The highest value equal to 7. Each column represent a power of 8. Octal number are represented with the suffix 8. It means octal number have 8 digits starting from 0 to 7. the highest value 7, but when you count it, the value is 8. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the base of this octal number system is 8. And after that, hexadecimal number system. This number system is used for larger numbers. Hexadecimal number system uses the base as 16. In hexadecimal number system, the number 0 to 9 are denoted normally, then the numbers 10 to 15 are denoted by alphabets A through F respectively. Means hexadecimal number system is used for larger number, and hexadecimal number system the base is 16 because hexadecimal number have 16 correct numbers. Means 0 to 9 10, and after the 10 to 15 denoted by the alphabet A. 10 represent A, 11 represent B, 13 represent C, 14 represent D, 15 represent F, like this. So hexadecimal number have 0 to 15. It means the base of hexadecimal is 16. After that, decimal to binary conversion. How to convert decimal number to binary number? First one is the method. The method of converting decimal to binary is repeated division method. For conversion, follow the rules. Means if you want to convert decimal to binary, then you can use the repeated division method. First, divide the given decimal number with the base 2. First one, you divide any decimal number base 2. And next point, write down the remainder and divide the quotient by 2. Means after that you write down the remainder and divide the quotient by 2. Third, repeat steps 2 till the quotient is 0. Here the example, through example you can easy way to understand. Here given the question 200 and you want to represent 200 is the decimal number and this decimal number is convert to binary number. So first one you write here 200 and divide by 2. When you are divide 2 divide 200 100 times and remainder is 0, and after that divide 200 50 times and remainder is 0, and after that divide 250 25 times, 225 is 50, then remainder is 0, and after that you divide 212 is 24 and remainder is 1, and after that 2 divided by 6, 2 divided by 12 6 times, remainder is 0, then after that 2 divided by 6 3 times, remainder is 0, and 2 divided 3 remainder 1 times and remainder is 1, and after that 2 divided 1 0 times, quotient here 0 times and remainder 1, then after that to write lower to upper side, means most significant bit to least significant bit, means downward, down to upward. Means first one write 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 0. Means simple examples here. Suppose that 8, you want to divide 8 decimal number to convert binary number, you divide 2 4 ja 8, remainder 0, then 2 2 ja 4, remainder 0, then 2 1 ja 2, remainder 0, and then divide 2 0 times and remainder 1, then you write here 1 0 0 and 0, because you write to most significant bit to least significant, lower to upper side. So here you write first one 1, then 0, 0 and 0 like this. Next, binary to decimal conversion. Binary to decimal conversions. To convert a binary number, follow the steps. Multiply each binary number with 2 having the power of 0 for last position and starting from the right side. Means starting from the right side and take to the power 0 first right side. Increase the power 1 by 1 with a base 2. Means to the power 0, to the power 1, to the power 2 like this. Sum up all the product to get decimal number. Means this is the binary to decimal conversion. So here given the questions, convert 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 to decimal number. So start here. Here starting from the last, 1 into 2 the power 0, 0 into 2 the power 1, 0 into 2 the power 2, 1 into 2 the power 3, 0 into 2 the power 4, 0 into 2 the power 5, 0 into 2 the power 6, 1 into 2 the power 7 and 1 into 2 the power 8. It means start from right side. 1 into 2 the power 0, here again 0 into 2 the power 2, 1, 0 into 2 the power 2 means increase the base power of 2 when you are moved right to left side. And after the calculation you find 256, 128, 8, 1 and when you are add it then you find 393, the binary number of to decimal number. Simple examples. Suppose that you want to convert to decimal number. First one starting from here, means you take the 0 position, then 1, 2 and 3 last one. So means 1 into 2 the power 3 for this one and plus 1 into 2 the power 2 for second and plus 0 into 2 the power 1 plus last one 1 into 2 the power 0. When you calculate 1 into 2 the power 3 it means 8, because 2 the power 3 it means 8, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 plus here 1 into 2 the power 2, 2 the power 2 means 4, 4 into 1 4 and here 0 into 2 means 0 and 1 into 2 the power 0 means 1. The power of any value is zeros, the value is always comes 1. So here 1 into 1 1, then you add it 8 and 4 12, 12 or 1 13, the value of this 13. So this method to convert binary number to decimal number. After that homework, question first, what is binary number system? Question number second, what is octal number system? Question third, what is hexadecimal number system? Question 4, what is decimal number system? Hopefully all students understands contents of this video. If you face any problem, contact my personal number. Thank you.